Ranking by SEO, Real Results from Indian Businesses. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring how Ranking by SEO, a leading Indian SEO agency, has delivered real results for businesses across industries. With tailored strategies and a commitment to measurable outcomes, Ranking by SEO has helped its clients achieve remarkable growth in organic traffic, search rankings, and lead generation. If you're looking for actionable insights on how SEO can transform your business, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Introduction. Ranking by SEO is one of India's top digital marketing agencies specializing in search engine optimization. From startups to established enterprises, they've helped businesses scale by improving their online visibility and driving sustainable growth. Their approach combines technical expertise, content marketing, and data-driven strategies to deliver real results. In this video, we'll break down the challenges faced by their clients, the strategies implemented by Ranking by SEO, and the impressive outcomes achieved. We'll also provide practical tips and tools you can use to replicate their success. The challenges. Businesses that partnered with Ranking by SEO often faced common challenges. 1. Low organic traffic. Websites struggled to attract visitors due to poor rankings on search engines. 2. High competition. Competing with larger players in crowded industries made it difficult to stand out. 3. Underperforming keywords. Many businesses weren't ranking for high-value keywords relevant to their offerings. 4. Technical SEO issues. Problems like slow page speeds, broken links, and poor site architecture hindered performance. 5. Lack of content strategy. Businesses lacked engaging and optimized content that aligned with user intent. The strategy. Ranking by SEO tackled these challenges with a comprehensive approach tailored to each client's needs. Here's how they did it. 1. Keyword research and optimization. Conducted detailed keyword research to identify high-value terms with low competition. Optimized meta titles, descriptions, and header tags across all web pages. Focused on long-tail keywords like affordable digital marketing services or best HR software in India. 2. Content marketing. Developed high-quality blogs targeting informational queries like how to improve website rankings or SEO tips for small businesses. Created engaging landing pages optimized for specific services or products. Published case studies showcasing client success stories. 3. Technical SEO. Fixed issues like broken links, duplicate content, and crawl errors. Improved core web vitals by optimizing page speed and mobile usability. Implemented structured data, schema markup, for FAQs and reviews to enhance SERP visibility. 4. Backlink building. Secured high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites through guest posting and digital PR campaigns. Focused on building links from industry-specific sites to boost domain authority. 5. Local SEO. Optimized Google Business Profiles (GBP) for clients targeting local audiences. Built local citations on directories relevant to the client's industry. Targeted geo-specific keywords like SEO agency in Delhi or digital marketing services near me. The results. The results of Ranking by SEO's efforts were transformative for their clients. 400% growth in organic traffic. Clients saw a dramatic increase in website visitors. Top rankings for competitive keywords. Many businesses achieved first-page rankings for industry-specific terms. Improved conversion rates. Optimized landing pages turned visitors into paying customers. Enhanced local visibility. Local businesses experienced higher foot traffic and inquiries due to improved GBP optimization. Here's a table summarizing key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic traffic plus 400%. Keyword rankings, number 1, plus 300%. Local visibility significant growth. Conversion rates plus 250%. Example. Helping an IT services company scale. Let's take a detailed example of how Ranking by SEO helped an IT services company improve its online presence. Problem. The company struggled with low organic visibility and couldn't rank for competitive keywords like IT outsourcing services or cloud solutions provider. Solution 1. Keyword optimization. Identified high-value keywords like managed IT services and cloud migration solutions. Optimized service pages with detailed descriptions targeting these keywords. 2. Content marketing. Published blogs such as Top Benefits of Cloud Migration or How Managed IT Services Can Save Costs. Linked blogs to service pages for better internal linking. 3. Technical fixes. Improved website speed by compressing images and enabling browser caching. Fixed crawl errors and ensured proper indexing of all service pages. 4. Backlink building. Secured backlinks from authoritative tech websites through guest posts. Focused on earning links from industry publications. Results. Organic traffic increased by 350%. Monthly inquiries grew by 200%. The company achieved first page rankings for high-value keywords within 6 months. Tools and resources. Here are some tools used by Ranking by SEO to deliver outstanding results. 1. Keyword research and tracking. SEMrush for identifying high-value keywords and tracking rankings. Google Keyword Planner to analyze search volumes and competition. 2. Content optimization tools. Grammarly to ensure error-free writing. Yoast SEO for optimizing meta tags and readability. 3. Technical SEO tools. Screaming Frog to identify technical issues like broken links. Gmetrics for improving page speed performance. 4. Analytics and reporting tools. Google Analytics to monitor organic traffic growth. Ahrefs for backlink analysis and competitor research. 5. Local SEO tools. Bright Local for managing local citations. Google My Business Dashboard for optimizing GBP listings. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from Ranking by SEO success stories. 1. Invest in keyword research. Identify high-value terms that align with your audience's search intent. 2. Focus on content marketing. Publish high-quality blogs and landing pages that address user queries and drive engagement. 3. Fix technical issues early. Address foundational problems like crawl errors or slow page speeds before scaling your efforts. 4. Leverage backlinks strategically. Build links from authoritative sites through guest posting or partnerships to boost domain authority. 5. Optimize for local audiences. Use geo-specific keywords and improve your Google business profile to attract nearby customers. Conclusion. Ranking by SEO's journey demonstrates the power of effective SEO strategies combined with content marketing, technical improvements, local optimization, and backlink building. By focusing on tailored solutions for each client, they've consistently delivered measurable results that help businesses scale sustainably in competitive markets. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.